3 easy steps to finally start achieving your goals. If you've been chasing your dreams for a long time now, and it doesn't look like you're any closer to achieving it, then stay tuned to this presentation. Today, you're going to learn 3 easy steps to finally start accomplishing your goals in life. Step 1. Have a realistic goal in mind. You can have realistic goals and unrealistic goals. If you don't want to waste your time and energy, then make sure you have a realistic goal in the first place. Otherwise, if you chase after an unrealistic goal, then you'll only end up wallowing in disappointment. But what exactly is a realistic goal? A realistic goal is something that you know you can achieve, something that is feasible and attainable, something that's not out of this world, so to speak. A realistic goal is specific, measurable, and well-defined. It's something that you can break down into smaller goals or milestones. Step 2. Plan how you're going to achieve your goal. When planning, you need to write every single detail down. Otherwise, if you keep it in your head, then you're not going to make much progress. It's highly likely you'll eventually forget your plans. But if you have it in writing, then it's much easier for you to recall what you've planned. You need to plan each tiny detail until you come up with a foolproof way of achieving your goal. However, just because you've written something down doesn't mean it's set in stone. The thing with planning is that it's usually just on paper. When you go out into the real world, you may realize some details are impractical, and you'd need to adapt. The key takeaway here is that you need to be flexible. Step 3. Take action. This is where many people fail. They've got a realistic goal in mind, and they've planned out the specifics on how they can achieve that goal. However, when it comes to taking action, they bail out. They realize it's a lot harder than it looks. In short, many people are not willing to put in the work to achieve their goal. It's important to commit yourself to your goal. When you're committed, you'll be more willing to do everything in your power to keep on moving forward. With discipline, positive attitude, and hard work, you'll soon find yourself inching closer towards achieving your goals.